Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and we're going to be continuing with our Pygame series with adding sound. We're going to be adding some explosion sounds. So alright, let's see where we left off last time. This is what we do here. We take one subject and we build upon it. So right now we have all these sprites, they're coming down, so now we've replaced them with some explosions, but that's still kind of boring. So let's change that. So alright. That's why it's so important to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss a thing. So it's literally this clear. I did a video on the mixer module. So we're going to be working with sound, loading sound, and then playing the sound. And this is how simple it is. So we need to create a function. So we're going to load the sound first. Load sound. Take a file. Make sure we can see that file, and then we're going to call this sound. Then we're going to take our Pygame mixer, then sound, give it the file, return sound. Alright, so now we have our handler of how to get the sound. So now we're actually going to then create our object, our explosion sound. So then now this is our explosion sound object, and load sound. So we're going to then use our function, and we give it, and I've just got I don't even remember where I got this from, but you can go and get a sound. For you, it can be any sound. For me, I got to be very picky. This is a free sound, no copyright, so on and so forth. So, all right, let's come down here and look at our explosion. So, inside our bad block, when they come down here and they happen, this is when the bad block hits the bottom and kills itself, deletes itself. This is where we want explosion sound, and then the method is just play. So alright, let's run this, see if I got everything, get it over here so we can see, and we should be hearing some stuff in just a second. So there we go. It is as simple as that. So, create a function, use your mixer module, sound function, pass in the file, create an object, and then play sound. That simple. We're going to build upon this because we're going to fade in and fade out and get pretty fancy, and then have a delay, and then we're also going to have some overplaying music that is playing the entire time, so it isn't as boring. As always, guys, please drop any comments, questions, or any video requests below, and I'll get right to them. And as always, guys, thanks for watching. Stay tuned, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys.